how to get the most out of your Sous Chef 16 food processor. Join us as we walk through the unboxing, setup and unique capabilities of your large capacity food processor. We'll take a closer look at the chef's armoury so you can get precise results time and time again. Let's dive in. To unbox the machine, place the box on the floor and open it up. You'll see that the machine's parts and accessories are packed in layers for easy removal. When unpacking, simply remove each layer one at a time. Inside, you'll find the lid, the bowl, the chef's armoury, and the base. Before setting up, remove all protective packaging from the base and attachments. Then pop everything in the dishwasher before their first use. Let's get familiar with everything in the box. Here's the motor base and bowl, which is accompanied by a storage box. The chef's armoury contains all the attachments you need. With your Sous Chef 16 ready, let's explore the attachments. Want to make fresh cut chips at home? Use the French fries disc. Simply insert the attachment and feed through your potatoes using the chute with the most snug fit. But don't stop at potatoes. Zucchini and even carrots can make for great chips. Slicing is a common kitchen task, and the adjustable slicer disc can make quick work of raw foods and vegetables and even deli meats. Simply place the spindle into the bowl, adjust the slicer disc to the desired size and pop it in the bowl. Close the lid and you're ready to slice. Grating is fast and efficient with the reversible shredding disc. Place the spindle into the bowl, then, depending on what you're shredding, flip the disc to the final coarse setting and feed through produce like apples, potatoes, cabbage, or of course, cheeses. The S-Blade is your chopping powerhouse. From raw meat through to nuts, fruits or dried fruit, the powerful blades make short work of almost anything. Cubed proteins can be minced with ease, or delicate pestos made by utilising the pulse function. Now let's take the dough blade for a spin. This attachment is perfect for the quick and easy creation of dough. Add up to 1.6 pounds of flour to the bowl and slowly pour in the liquid through the small feed chute while the motor's running. Your machine features a wide feed chute accommodating a variety of ingredient sizes. This means there's less pre-prep when you're in the kitchen. For optimal results, use the chute size that best fits the ingredients you're processing. You want a snug, not tight fit. It's important to remember to never force anything through the machine. Just apply gentle pressure to guide the produce through. Cleaning is straightforward. Everything is dishwasher safe. For the machine base, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is sufficient. Avoid harsh scouring pads to preserve the finish. You're now ready to explore the capabilities of your Sous Chef 16 and bring efficiency and precision to your kitchen creations.